Hey guys, it's Fatima
and Emaan.
and Joseph.
And me.
And guess what? We have a surprise.
Why do you always say that? Yeah, we have a surprise.
Yeah, we have a
Okay,
surprise.
we're just gonna show you. 'Cause, you know,
we're just gonna show you.
It's a cat.
It's a cat.
his name is
He's a
Pippin.
kitty.
His name is Pippin.
Yeah,
Pippin.
he's
He's
2 months old.
No, he's 3 months old.
He's
3
3
months
months old.
Whatever.
And yeah.
Put him. He's comfortable, okay?
So we're at the college right now, and we're just walking around.
College? What the heck?
Yeah, it's college.
Yeah, it's Kent State College. Kent State.
Yeah, and there's lots of people. They just
Oh
love him so
my
much. They want to touch him and pet him and stuff. And
Right.
everybody loves him.
Yeah.
Everybody. They gave us $3 for it.
No, they didn't.
No,
Yeah, they did.
No, they didn't.
Yeah, they did.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, fine.
Little Pippin likes to be.
Okay, now he's
he likes
scratching.
shoulder rests. He likes to sit on people's shoulders. And
Yeah, guys.
He kind of likes being held like this, but sometimes he was...
Wait, like this? Can I try?
Like a baby?
No, not now.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Bro, stay out of here. There's cameras in here.
Baby.
Look, Pippin. Pippin is being held like a baby.
Where are we racing?
For what?
To your mom's car. Whoever touches it first wins.
I pooped mine.
One. From this line. From this line. 3.
Hey guys, so we've taught Pippin how to run.
Yeah.
He's enjoying it, right? Okay, we need to get the watermelon bowl. What's up, guys? So as you can see, we did a barbecue, and here's our chicken. Very good stuff.
There's our cat.
That's the barbecue. Oh yeah, that's Pippin. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. Yeah, he's sleeping, but yeah. Lovely day in September. Move.
Get out from it.
I have school tomorrow.
It's Labor Day.
So we had a 3-day weekend, but it's over now. So depression.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we have story time. So as you can see, it's just Yosef and Fatima. They came to my house, and as you know, they have moved, but they came to visit us, and we decided to look at their old house.
And then we got in
Shut
trouble.
up.
And
And
someone
I
said,
said-
up.
And we did. And so we were up there for like a good while, maybe 15 minutes. And we brought our kitty with us too. Well,
Pippin.
we were upstairs, we're in the upstairs bathroom, and then I saw some dude downstairs, and he was like, "Hello," and I was like, and I was like, bro. Okay, yeah. Anyways, we were like,
Oh no.
we're about to die. So Fatima and Yosef, they freaked out, and Fatima was just like, and then Yosef ran down the stairs. He was ready to run for his life. It was one man for himself. He was ready to abandon us all.
Yeah.
He didn't even care about us, but yeah.
He was so nice, but then he hates us. you
Yeah,
know?
we knew him for such a long time. And
Right.
he was so mean all of a sudden. And then Daniel over here.
Keep on putting your trash here.
Yeah. Daniel over here decided to make weird noises. What's wrong with this?
Oh, yeah. I remember.
Oh, now you remember.
Yeah. So yeah, Daniel was making weird.
Eat it.
Weird noises.
Yeah, he's making weird noises. He's like.
It was actually pretty loud.
Yeah, it was loud.
no
And everybody was quiet
I
because
mean-
we were like, "What is going on?"
I mean-
and
I
then
mean-
Daniel was like, and you could hear him, and I bet the guy downstairs could hear him too.
We should have recorded it though. And
Anyways,
then
yeah. So
we got
Yeah.
downstairs, went through the back door, and then the guy.
yeah, Yosef and Fatima ran downstairs, and Daniel and me, we were like, "What is going on?" So we were like behind them a bit, and we grabbed Pippin, our kitty. He was on the stairs of the house, and we grabbed him, and I said, okay, if he asks what we were doing, we're gonna say, our kitty got in the house. We needed to get him out. So we got out. He was like, "What are you kids doing here?" And then he was like, "I'm gonna call the cops. I'm gonna press charges against you. You're gonna haul your neighbor to jail." And then we were like,
We're like, you cannot fight us.
"No, we didn't.
You did not say
We did not say that."
I said
So,
we.
so then I quickly said, "Well, my kitty got lost here."
When I'm done.
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 Anyways, yeah. So I told him my kitty got lost in the house. not true, but I had
And
to
he
make
was
an
like-
excuse.
And
And I got it was a stupid excuse because yeah, how could the kitty have gotten in the house? But you know what? No, it doesn't matter. It was still a good excuse. So yeah,
And
I
he said, no, but then he said,
Yeah,
how could have a kitty? Shut up!
how could a kitty got into the locked doors? Like, the kitties don't go through locked doors.
Wasn't locked anyway.
Yeah, and like first of all, it wasn't locked, so maybe you should lock the door. Maybe it's not even his house either. So why is he so worried? And the door wasn't locked, so and it was their ex house, so you know we have a right to look at it.
Yeah.
It's like they spent their childhood in it, so yeah, we looked at it.
6 years there.
Yeah, and then Yosef and Fatima, they ran away, left me and Daniel out for ourselves.
Yeah. I ran for my life.
Yosef was out of there.
I ran for
By the time I got on their driveway, they were already on my driveway across the street. So yeah, I grabbed Pippin, and he was like, "Yeah, you better run. I'm gonna press charges against you." And you know what? I was like, bruh, why do you do that?
Why are you bullying me? If we should have just stayed up there, he wouldn't have entered the house. He would have.
He would have seen our shoes at the entrance.
But he wouldn't have entered our house.
Maybe he would have.
He'd be like, I'm gonna use
He would have gotten even more suspicious and like called the cops or called the people who own it.
Actually, that is true.
Yeah.
Never mind, we did the right thing.
Anyways, yeah, that's our story time.